In this question, you have been asked to identify the final measured product of the given reaction sequence. In order to find out the measured product of the reaction, we need to know the intermediate products A, B and C. So we are starting from methanol molecule and we can write the overall reaction as given here. Methanol on reaction with SOCl2, we can see the hydroxyl group will be substituted by the chlorine atom to produce the intermediate compound A. This is chloromethane. Now, this chloromethane react with potassium cyanide. Here the chlorine atom will be replaced by the Cn- group to produce ethane nitrile, that is B. In the third step, this ethane nitrile on reaction with sodium amalgam in presence of ethanol, they will be converting into a primary amine. This amine is ethanamine and this ethanamine again react with sodium nitrate and HCl in presence of water. They will be converting into ethanol, that is the final product of the reaction. Let's come to the options given here. The first one is given as acetaldehyde. This is not the final product, so option A is the incorrect one. Option B is given as amide, which is not the final product of the reaction. Option C is the correct answer, that is ethanol is given as the product. And option D is also wrong because that is given as chloroethane. So from these options, the correct answer is option C.